Hi HBNR family, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while here. So today we are going to talk about size charts, the international or standard size charts, the UK or US size charts. We are going to make explanation on everything here. So if you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So let's dive into the tutorial. Thanks for watching HBNR. So here is the table of the international size chart. What I mean by international size chart is that the sizes that covers every country on health. So although there are different countries with their own size chart, but this covers every country on health. And on this international size chart, the small size is represented by S, while medium size is represented by M, while L represents by large, and anything that's above large, it was extra will be attached to it to indicate that this is an extra large, which is bigger than large. We have the one that's also, which is excess, that is extra large. We also have extra large. So it depends on how big the person is. So let's dive into it. So for the small size chart, the chest of it is 36 to 38. So assuming we are to make a mass production, as in we want to make a mass production, we want to produce in large quantity and want to use the size chart of small size. So we are not going to go for 36, but rather we are going to use 38 for the small size chart. The reason for using 38 is that even if the person is 36 and we give him the cloth of 38, the person the person still have an opportunity to amend it to 36 inches. But if the person is 38 and we give 36 clothes to that person, that is not there's no any other way to amend it. So that's how it goes. And also the medium size is starting from 38 to 40. So if we are to make a mass production, we are going to be using 40 for the chest of medium size. So the large also, the chest is 40 to 42. If we are to make a mass production, I mean to produce in large quantity, we are going to make use of the 42 inches chest. And also same thing goes for extra large and XX large. So let me explain why we have two different number here. So for the small size, we have 36 to 38. So the 36 here, it means that is the fitted measurement, while 38 is the normal measurement. That is, if you are using 36, if 36 is your chest measurement and you wore a cloth of 38, it will not be fitted on you, and also it will not be over large on you, so it will be normal. And also for the medium, you can see that we have 38. So the 38 is considered to be a small medium, while the 40 inches is considered to be a normal medium. And same thing goes for large, small large, and also normal large. The 40 inches is for small large, which means that someone that can wear medium can also wear large, and that's how it works. And also the length of the small size is 27, the medium is 28, the large is 29, and the extra large is 30, and also 30.5 for the XX large. So that's it for the length measurement. And also for the neck measurement, the small is 15 inches, the medium is 15.5, the large is 16 inches, the extra large is 16.5, and the XS large is 17 inches. So, and also same thing goes for shoulder and sleeves. So an advice here is that if someone tells you that is using small size, so make sure that you use 38 and not 36, so that if the cloth is bigger, it will give room for him or her to amend it. So that's it all about size chart. So we make use for the bigger number for the mass production. And for the next size, this next size measurements are for t-shirt. You understand? So for hoodies, we are not going to be using neck size. We are going to be using our head circumference to cut our neck in hoodie. So let's move on to the UK and US size chart. So these are the table of the size chart of the UK and US and also international size chart. So UK and US size charts is the same thing as international size chart, but they use different things to indicate them, as in to represent them. Okay, assuming the international size chart, we use letter S to represent small size, while UK will use alphabet 8 or 10 to represent their own, and US will use 4 and 6 to represent their own. So in UK size chart, whenever you see 8 on the label of the cloth or 10, it indicates that the chest measurement of it is 36 or 38, and at times you can see 8 to 10. It indicates that the size chart is within 36 to 38, and if it's 8 that you see on the label, it indicates that the chest measurement of that particular cloth is 8, and if it is 10, it indicates that the chest measurement of that particular cloth is 10. Same thing goes for 10 and 12. So 10 represents 38 chest and 12 represents 40 chest. So that's how it works. And moving on to US use 4, start their own sizes start from 4. So 4 stands for 36, while 6 stands for 38. So if you see 4 on the label of a cloth that is US size chart, the 4 inches there represent 36 inches chest measurement, while the 6 there represent 38 size chest measurement. So I hope you need to keep this size chart, so that whenever you want to know the actual measurement of a cloth, you can go back to it